chopper comes with 4 different blades. It comes with a small and large chopper, as well as a spiralizer and a ribbon spiralizer. It's super light and it's compact, making it easy to store. It comes apart pretty easily. It's very easy to clean, but it also comes with a brush for those stubborn, hard to get pieces. It's very easy to put the blades in and to switch them out. You're going to switch this lock to unlock. You're going to stick the blade in like this, and then you're going to lock it to make sure it's not going anywhere. You can put whatever you want to chop in here, and then you're going to simply hold it down like that. As you can see, it's super easy. Now to use the spiralizer, you're going to unlock, take this out. You're going to stick your spiralizer in. Lock it, take whatever you want to spiralize, and then you're just going to simply turn it like so. If this gets too short, what you're going to do is take this, you can stick it into the edge, and turn it like that. As you can see, this is super easy to use. It makes food prep and cooking just so much easier.